Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Stay tuned for this special episode and watch us turn this empty space into a beautifully displayed collection of everything bath and body. With soft lighting and natural accents, we created an atmosphere of tranquility. All that and more coming up next. Good morning and welcome to a special edition. And this edition is getting your booth together along with getting your life together, because I'm recording this on my cell phone because I left my SD card at home for my camera. So I wanted to bring you all on a journey. We are setting up my products in a store in Concord, North Carolina. Here's Mason.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing?
He's my architect slash engineer slash everything. So
yeah,
we are going to head up there, and I want to bring you all along with me.
What's the difference?
An Android is just a type of phone. Samsung's the actual brand. It's just like saying all Nikes are shoes, but not all shoes are Nikes, okay? So if you say I have an
If you're mad because you still got a Samsung and people call it an Android, just go to iPhone.
Not people, you call it an Android. It's a Samsung S22, okay? Which is probably still a gold version.
See, look, it's perfect. So, y'all, I basically told her if we go piece by piece, this would probably be perfect. But she was like, no.
Just don't like that. That's so cute. You come around with 4. Oh, and then Princess comes around with 2. So this is day 1 of getting everything in here, and we are not finished. I think I still want to add some more shelves down there and down here, and I've got a lot more products that I need to add as well. And we have some really good ideas what we're going to do with this area and the bottom area here and the floor as well. This is day 2 of getting my booth set, and I forgot my SD card again. I've got my camera and my tripod, but forgot my SD card again. So I don't know how good this footage is going to be, but I'll try to show you guys setup for day 2. Let's go. I got these caddies from Amazon. I'm thinking about putting them on this wall over here, this wall right here, and kind of packaging each set of fragrances inside of each caddy. So I laid the caddies on the floor in the design that I think I want to put them on the wall. And let's see how this works since I do not have a leveler. She's so funny. So today's our last day to set up. It's Saturday. I've got my princess here, and we're going to take you all along and show you the final results of the setup. Right?
Right.
Right.
ASMR. I think it worked. Perfectly done.
Somebody thought it would be a good idea to separate them.
And it was a good idea, because now you have to look around at all the other.
So we are finished setting up. We stopped and got some Chick-fil-A, and the soft opening is April 2nd. The grand opening is April 12th, so I will definitely post some of that footage for you. Godly.
I'm trying to be quiet.
This is not working. So thank you all again for tuning in and joining if you watched till the very end. I also want to thank my patrons. Thank you for your support and everything while it took me so long to get set up and get everything together. If you want a recipe to any of those items that you saw in my store or that you've seen in any of my other videos, those are posted in my Patreon, and the link to my Patreon is in that description box below. Please give me a huge thumbs up if you like this content, and please hit that subscribe and notification button so you can be notified anytime I post new content. Until next time, bye guys.
Butt naked.
already butt naked, it will make you get butt naked.
Butt naked. Once you smell it, you're gonna get like it.
Butt naked. If you want to get like that, take a whiff.
We want to end the night off right. Get our scrub, butt naked. 2.
If you like to be butt naked.
Smell good for your date night? Try our body butter date night. 3, 2, 1, action.
If your favorite season.
Do it again.
If you want to smell like the bomb, get our pink sangria bath bomb.
Period. From who? Who's Janae Rose? Me.